You need to watch this if you're ready to unlock your full potential. Welcome to HandWealth, the ultimate gateway to your success. At HandWealth, we bring you unrivaled advice from the world's top achievers, tailored business strategies that work, and tips to unlock your full potential. Imagine learning directly from those who've scaled the heights of success. Whether you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey or aiming to catapult your business to new heights, HandWealth has got you covered. We believe in turning inspiration into action and action into results. Picture this: a graph soaring upwards, business meetings filled with breakthrough ideas, and investments blossoming like trees. HandWealth is not just about dreaming of success, it's about building it step by step. So why wait? Subscribe now and join a community of ambitious entrepreneurs carving their success stories. Let's create your success story together. HandWealth, empowering ambition, building success.